On this screen you will first see the table with the properties of the individual herbs of the selected preset combination. In this table, the individual herbs are color-coded according to their actions. We can display the color codes by clicking on the color code button. If we click on a specific color code, a table appears on the left with all the herbs in the database that have this therapeutic action. We can research further in the database by calling up the details of the individual herbs here, too, by clicking on the herb name. We close the color code windows by clicking on the X icons. Remember, safety is most important when prescribing medicinal herbs, and you must read the safety information on each herb, available by clicking the CD button. When you do this, a pop-up window opens with detailed information on the cautions, contraindications and dosage recommendations of the corresponding herb. You can also make personal notes here. We close the pop-up with the X icon. You can obtain further detailed information on a herb by clicking on the herb name. A pop-up window will open with this detailed information. As with the detailed information on the preset combinations, you can also make personal notes here. Again, we close the pop-up with the X icon. Further down in the next table, you will find suggestions on how you can modify the preset combination depending on the patient's additional symptoms. All herbs of the database are listed in the Add Herb to Actual Prescription drop-down menu. If you select an herb, you can display the details of this herb with the info icon, and if it fits, add it to the preset combination with the plus icon. The app also allows you to find other suitable herbs by entering symptoms in the search field. The table at the bottom of this screen lists alternative preset combinations, which we can call up directly by using the right arrow icon. The Select Another Combination drop-down menu lists all the preset combinations in the database. If we select one of these combinations, we can call up the detailed information using the info icon and display it using the right arrow icon. In our example, we decide to prescribe the suggested preset combination unchanged. Therefore, we select all the herbs by clicking on the left-hand circle icons, and the Show Actual Herb Selection button and the Show Final Prescription button appear. With the Show Actual Herb Selection button, we can continue to edit our herb selection on another screen. With the Show Final Prescription button, we call up the prescription form, which we fill in further, and then print out and/or send by email. But you can also do this by clicking on the Final Prescription button in the function menu below the header. This button is visible when you already have selected herbs for the final prescription.